Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you air fried eggplant. This is going to be simple yet delicious air fry recipe that makes a great addition to any meal that you prepare. It has a nice crispy edges and beautifully golden brown on top. Look how gorgeous they look. I've used very minimal ingredients here, and chicken masala I have added to take this recipe to next level. So let's see how to make this. Here I've taken small ginger, 1 garlic clove. You have to take fresh garlic clove, not the garlic powder, and 1 whole eggplant. So here I'm cutting each slices. Make sure it has good thickness so that it doesn't get soggy or broken when after air frying. So look at the thickness I've kept for each slices. So I have an air fryer that is basket style. It won't fit all the eggplants at once, so I have used a food hack here. You can keep watching and see how. So here I've taken dry ingredients, that is red chilli powder, chicken masala, turmeric, salt, ginger garlic coarsely crushed. Add oil. I've added 2 tablespoons oil here because the quantity of eggplant or egg slices are little high. Mix it and marinate all the egg slices now. I will mention all the ingredients used here in the description below, which you can later refer to it. Give it a good mix. Make sure each slice is nicely coated with all the masala, the marination that we created. Now it's ready to be air fried. So place this in the air fry basket. I have not added any water here. It's just 2 tablespoons oil. So here I'm going to use a bread rack and place each eggplant slices over it. So here you can see it's a very good food hack or idea to place so many foods together in the air fryer basket. So here I have a small 6-quart air fryer, so it doesn't fit all at once. So this is the idea that came up. Isn't this a cool hack that I did with the bread rack? Do let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Also, if you are interested to go for the same bread rack, I will mention in the video description below the link to it. Now it's all set to be air fried. I will set the air fryer at 385 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. In between, I'll open the basket and brush oil on each eggplant slices so they get a nice crispy on top. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I share a lot of air fryer recipes. By now I have shared around 100 plus air fryer recipes in this channel. Also, I share different cooking methods in my channel. I make a blend of Indian, American and Italian recipes, so you'll get to see a lot of recipes in my channel. Also, if you're new, please click on the subscribe button and there's a bell icon next to it. So whenever there's a new video upload from me, you will get a notification for it. So the eggplants are ready, very nicely done. The spices, the masalas are coated well. The flavor of ginger garlic, chicken masala takes this recipe to next level. And here you can see how easy they are to take it out from the basket. Here I'm garnishing it with dried parsley. And it's ready to be served. Enjoy this with rice or as a side for your meal. Very interesting recipe. And now look how good the eggplants look. These are air fried eggplants and taste so good. Thank you so much for watching the video till here. I hope you subscribed the channel and clicked on the bell icon. See you soon in my new video again. Till then, bye bye and take care.